Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, then hello, welcome, thank you for clicking on this video. And if this isn't the first video of mine you've seen, then thank you for deciding to watch another one of my videos. I really appreciate it. If you are new here, maybe hit that subscribe button. On this channel we talk all about fashion and beauty, and I'm also trying to mix in a bit more like self-development stuff, and today's video kind of fits in with that. So I feel like this video is almost kind of carrying on like a similar theme to my last one. So if you haven't seen my last one, go and watch it. I did a video on how to glow up during quarantine. So this lockdown has given everyone like a lot of extra time, and I feel like it would be kind of stupid not to make the most of this time. So today I want to do a video on hacks and things you can do to save yourself some time. It's gonna be like beauty, fashion, and a few life hacks, so we can just waste less time and make more time for the things that we want to do. Now this first hack is a beauty one, and this has been doing its rounds on the internet. I think it was Mrs. Hinch that first posted about this, and it's an easier way to clean your beauty blenders. Basically you put your beauty blenders in a sock in the laundry and they'll come out like perfectly clean, and it saves you so much time because you're not gonna have to stand there and scrub them. You can put them in a sock, but I also have these like little laundry bag things to put them in. When all your beauty blenders are dirty and you have to wash them all, it could literally take like half an hour, maybe even more, to wash them. So doing this hack, you're saving so much time, and you can be able to use that time to do like a million other more important, maybe not a million, but you're gonna be able to use this time to just do like doing something more worthwhile and more interesting. Kind of similar to the first one, this one is like a quicker way to wash your makeup brushes. Now I'm pretty sure Jamie Genevieve posted this on TikTok, and it's basically using a sieve to help you clean your makeup brushes, and it makes the whole process quicker. It gets them cleaned faster, because again, just like beauty blenders, when all of your brushes are dirty and you clean it can take forever to clean them. So doing this, you're just going to save time and cut that cleaning time in half, which means more time to do things you actually want to do and to do more important things. Although cleaning your brushes is important because it's good for your skin, but no one wants to spend like an hour cleaning all their makeup brushes, so using the sieve hack just helps clean them so much quicker, saving you time. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I love fashion, but sometimes going in my wardrobe and finding an outfit is so much effort, like too much effort. So this great app, and it's called Stylebook, and basically you just take pictures of all of your clothes and you can organise them all into folders by like clothing type. You can have like t-shirt, trousers, shorts, jeans, and you can just like name everything with like so for this t-shirt I just put like white Levi's t-shirt or whatever, and you can just search in the app to find those pieces of clothing, and then you can put them together and create outfits in the app. So it just saves so much time having to like go into your wardrobe and pull things out and making a complete mess. Kind of like that thing that Cher has in her wardrobe in Clueless. It's a really cool app, and it's really fun just to like put outfits together on there, to be honest. And plus, when you're packing for a holiday, not that any of us are going to be doing that anytime soon, unfortunately, but when we are allowed to travel and go on holiday again, you can plan all your outfits in advance and have them all like saved on your phone. So then when you get there, you already know like what outfits you've planned, what goes with what, and all of that. So okay, so the next thing is a hack that's going to save you so much time when you get ready in the morning, and that is to have a really good makeup organisation system. Now I used to have like the messiest makeup organisation. I used to have like a basket with everything chucked in, and then in the morning like you can't find anything, it takes forever. Whereas now I have some drawers, my lights just fell down. I just have some like clear plastic drawers, and what I've done is I've organised them into like face. Yeah, I've got face products, eyes and lips. So I have all of my base products, then I have blushes and bronzers, highlighters, eye products, and then nude lip colours and bright lip colours. And basically by doing this, it just saves me so much time in the morning because I know exactly where everything is. If I want a nude lip colour, I know where to get that. If I want a bright lip colour, I know where to get that. Basically having just like a good makeup storage system is just going to save you so much time, because all that time you spend like rummaging around trying to find products, it does kind of add up, and I feel like that is definitely like what makes you late overall. Okay, so the next hack is a hair hack, and it's hair rollers. Now, I bought some hair rollers years ago. I used them quite regularly and then I stopped using them for a while, but recently I started using them again, and it just makes curling your hair so much quicker. I can just chuck them in, do my makeup, have them in whilst I'm doing my makeup, and then when I take them out, the curls are gonna last longer than when I use a curling iron, and I feel like it's just so much less effort. Using a curler to curl your hair can take ages, whereas doing rollers, it's so quick. It literally takes about probably 10 minutes, not even that, to put them in, and then you can just do your makeup once you let them set, and you take them out and then your hair looks like you had like a blow dry or something. And also, because the curls last for so long, if you sleep your hair up in like a loose bun, if you put it up in like a clip or something, then that will help like preserve your curls, and then you can get a couple of days out of them, and then you're not having to recurl your hair so much. Okay, so the next one is another clothing hack, and I hate ironing, so I bought myself a steamer instead. Steaming your clothes is so much quicker and easier. It gets all the creases out, and also you can travel with it as well, so it's really good for on the go as well. And all that time you're saving from not having to iron and just steaming things, you can use to do something a lot more interesting. Okay, so a few life hacks that I have. I feel like most of us, the way we waste our time the most is on our phones. There's like a few kind of like simple things that you can do to stop you from wasting so much time on your phone, such as turning notifications off. If you turn as many notifications off as possible and literally just have the ones that you need, then you're gonna be looking at your phone way less often, and then you're gonna get less distracted by it. Also, using screen time. If you have an iPhone, definitely use screen time. Set yourself limits on certain apps to prevent you from using them for too long. I set like a half an hour limit on social media, so I can't spend more than half an hour on social media every day. And also, another great app is Forest, which I actually mentioned in my first video when I did Get Ready With Me, and I gave some tips for like working from home. Basically, Forest just forces you to not use your phone. You set a timer and it just doesn't let you on your phone for that amount of time. It's really great for when you just really need to get something done but you can't put your phone down. Just set a timer on Forest and just go and get it done. So once you set the timer, it like plants a little tree. If you leave the app, then the tree dies, and so I feel like, and so that's like the motivation to like not use your phone. And then another really good hack for spending less time on social media, I've never really heard anyone ever like mention this, but it's really not like revolutionary or anything, but basically I find that if I like log out of all of my accounts, so then when I click on the app it just comes up with the login page, I find that usually that's enough to stop me from just starting to scroll, because as soon as you open Instagram you see your feed, it's just way too tempting to just start scrolling, and then once you start you can't stop. But by logging out, it means when you click on the app it's going to come up with the login page, not your feed, so then that's kind of like, it kind of makes you stop and think like, oh no, I should be doing something else right now and not sitting and scrolling through Instagram. I mean, it sounds like really simple, but I find that it does actually help. Also, hiding your apps where you can't see them, that's like another good way to stay off them, because out of sight, out of mind. If you can't see them, you can't click on it and then start scrolling. Ever since I had my digital detox, I've found that I've spent a lot less time on social media. Now that I've cut down the amount of people I'm following, I'm seeing a lot less content, which means I'm spending a lot less time scrolling. So I definitely recommend having a social media detox, not just to save time, but it's also really good for your mental health as well. I did a whole blog post on it, so I'll link that down below if you want to have a read of that and hear more about like the benefits and stuff. The less people you follow, the less photos in your feed, and then the less you're going to scroll. And finally, a great way to manage your time so you can be more intentional with how you use it is to calendar block. Now, I'm not really going to go into calendar blocking like too much. Basically, you just put everything you need to do on your calendar and you block it out into chunks of time. So rather than making a to-do list that's just never ending and then not having enough time to do everything, you're kind of looking at everything as chunks of time and you put it on the calendar, and it's just a better way to make sure you're going to be able to do everything that you're planning on doing, rather than just being like shoving it all on a to-do list, which doesn't work. There's loads of really great videos on this, so I will link a few below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments any hacks that you have to save time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, follow my social media, go look at my blog, do all of the things, and I will see you next week. Bye!